Hello friends, this side Ankit Kumar Singh. First of all, I gonna thanks each and every one of you all for such amazing response on my last video on Sapenturi. It means a lot for me. In this video, I gonna give you a little information about what actually Sapenturi is, and at last there is a little surprise for you all. I have received a lot of queries from you all, and the common doubt that of you have is what is Sapenturi and what is Daika. Sapenturi is an IIM Bangalore edtech startup founded in a year of 2020, aimed to build parallel higher education system for engineering education in India. It is well known to us that the rate of hiring among engineering graduates across India stood at 31% in 2020. Only 20 to 33% out of 1.5 million jobless engineers in India are passing out every year to run the risk of not getting a job at all. But Sapenturi is there to help engineering students to become a true engineers instead of just degree holders. Now I'm gonna show you the motive of Sapenturi. Sapenturi help engineering students to become true engineer instead of a degree holder. Lots of well-known newspaper have published a lot about Sapenturi. Now I'm gonna show you something. Now I'm gonna show you some of that. Machine Maker have published an article on Sapenturi. Times of India have published an article on Sapenturi. And now I'm going to show you the site of IIM Bangalore. They have included an article of Sapenturi in their site too. The most amazing fact about Sapenturi is that they are a startup of IIM guys. Sapenturi headquarters is located at Bangalore, Karnataka. Sapenturi is founded in 2020. Founder and CEO of Sapenturi is Kushal sir, and co-founder of Sapenturi is Komla ma'am. Now I'm going to show you the LinkedIn profile of Kunal Shah. He's really a great person. The way he thinks is literally unique. He's so hardworking and crazy to bring out revolution in our Indian education system. Now I'm going to show you the LinkedIn profile of Komla ma'am. She's so polite and humble. Even the Sapenturi team is so biased of creating a revolution in India education system. And they're definitely going to do something great. Now, now I'm going to show you some achievement of Sapenturi. Sapenturi was one of top 50 student startup handpicked from 17,000 Indian colleges and 700 plus university. Under the scheme of Startup India, Sapenturi was selected. Recently, Sapenturi collaborated with KDEM. KDEM stands for Karnataka Digital Economy Mission, and they are proud to announce their collaboration with Karnataka Digital Economy Mission. Now, dear friends, most of you are engineers, and Sapenturi have a feeling about engineers. Sapenturi has successfully completed 300 days just a month before, and I'm gonna show you there's some pics of celebration. This is post of Sapenturi when they have completed their 300 days, and this is the celebration. Now, the bond between Sapenturi, their team, and students are really unmutable because they are working at very basic protocol. Sapenturi prioritize respect and fairness, trust and integrity, growth mindset, teamwork, employee engagement, opportunity for advancement, communication and transparency, diversity, and the final is result. Now, Sapenturi is a learning-based platform. They have their three program. First is Daika Arduino program. Second is Get Set Go with Pico program, and third is Chigru. In this video, I gonna show you some details about Daika Arduino program, and in future, I will introduce Get Set Go and Chigru. Daika program. Daika stands for Do You Know Arduino? I know many of you know what is Arduino. Let me introduce what is Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Company like Microsoft, Infosys are in huge demand of Arduino engineer because Arduino is used to automate robots, and robots are the backbone of the tech society. Now, the best thing about their courses are they don't provide only lectures, they provide you the kit. Even you now by watching lectures you can learn, and by building robots you can learn practically. Now I'm gonna show you the seven interactive courses under DICA program. Course one is Introduction to World of Development Board. Course 2 is diving in the sea. Diving in the sea means the you are starting from the zero level of C language and you're gonna touch the pro skill of the C language. Now third is tinkering and prototyping with Arduino. Fourth is Arduino engineering. Fifth is project 1 and seventh is project 2. Project 6 is haunted house and project 7 is going above and beyond. Total duration of the program is 700 minutes. The best thing about this program is that the program is accessible anytime, anywhere. Means you don't have any constraints of time. After getting the course, full program is yours. You can watch lecture at late night or at early morning. You can watch lecture anywhere, anytime, and this is best what I think they are providing you. Second is personal mentor. They will provide you personal mentor support for doubt clarification, one-to-one interaction, and the third is start and end the course based on your convenience. Means if you want to start the course after a week or after a month, you have a full right of doing that. And fourth is they will provide you a kit that will ship to your doorstep within 6 to 7 days once you get the course. Arduino starter kit is something that have some basic instrument that are required to build robots. Inside kit, they will provide 25 plus components. Arduino UNO, breadboard, LED, servo meter, buzzer, battery, potentiometer, RGB light, push button, fan, and many more. What will you develop after DICA? Everyone have this doubt, and it's a genuine doubt. After the DICA program, you're gonna have a good skill in programming, because even if you have a zero knowledge in programming, they will teach you from very basic to advanced level. Now you're gonna have hands-on experience because they will provide you a starter kit, and you can use that kit. You can build robots. You can build real projects. Now the main thing is your thinking got innovative, and that's is the most important part of this program. And the last is problem solving, because every engineer is a problem solver. We have three type of courses because I got a lot of queries about the courses and their fees. First is interactive courses plus Arduino starter kit. It included 7 interactive online micro courses which I have introduced earlier with 11 plus hours of learning content. It includes Arduino starter kit with 30 plus component, and at last they will provide you a program and certification. Second is interactive courses. The basic difference between interactive courses and interactive courses plus Arduino starter kit is that in interactive courses the fees is something less than the first one, and they will don't provide you Arduino starter kit. And at last they will provide you program and certification, and they have a separate program. When you just need the kit, you have a proper knowledge of robotics, you have a proper knowledge of C programming, C language, and you just need the kit, then Arduino hardware kit is best for you. Now this is a surprise. We have year-end sale going on. The courses which was approx 2700, the interactive course which was around which cost around 2700 is now at 2399, and the interactive course that cost around rupees 1500 earlier is now at 1249, and Arduino hardware kit which cost rupees 800 earlier is now at rupees 1600. See, the basic doubt that everyone you have is that is they provide certificate? Yes, definitely they will provide you a certificate, but only for the interactive courses plus Arduino starter kit, and the second one interactive courses. For Arduino hardware kit, they will don't provide you the certificate. Now many of you have the questions that is the fees affordable. Let's calculate. A mozzarella pizza costs rupees 200. It means for a year it costs around 2400, assuming you are consuming a single pizza every month, but that's not the reality. And our course cost 2399. Means if you want to do something great, you have to manage something from your daily expenses. Now, what are you waiting for? Hurry up, guys. Please gonna enroll, because if you want to be a really skill based engineer, and if you want to be a good engineer, you must be a part of this program. And I have started from this motive that becoming true engineer instead of just degree holder, and it's a universal truth. Thanks everyone